My name is Dylan. I owe to Papa. Lets me go anywhere. Lets me do anything I want. Lets me hang out with my cousins. Helps me with my homework. Thank you for being my black oak.
My name is Cameron Brooks, and this is an ode for my dad. My dad is caring and loving. He takes care of me the best way he can. He protects me when I am afraid. He protected his country in the military. He always helps when I need him to. He is funny and we do fun things together. I'm so happy to have my dad. My dad is my best friend. Thank you for being my black oak.
My name is Samantha Smith. My ode is to my mom. I love her because she is kind and caring. She pushes me to do my best, and she loves me as much as I love her. She pushes me to always do my best and never give up. She is always there to help me when she can. She knows I can do it even when I think I can't. She takes good care of me, and I love her, and she loves me very much. So even when I can't, she helps me do it. Thank you for being my black rose.
My name is Jody. This is an ode to Dwayne. Dwayne, you're my best friend. You make me laugh. I like when you make funny faces. I enjoy playing with you. Thank you for being my black oak.
My name is Jocelyn Greer, and this is an ode to my mom. When people think about superheroes, they think Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, Iron Man, or Spider-Man. But when I think of a superhero, I think my mom. She is a powerful woman. She is dedicated to her life in the Lord, to her team, to her family, to her construction company, to her church, and to keeping her daughter safe. She's fierce, intelligent, kind, and so much more. I don't know how all of that can fit into one person, but my mom, she's special. Thank you for being my black rose.
I'm Camden Moore, and this is my ode to Jermaine Moore. This is my father that has taught me life lessons I will never forget. My amazing father loves me, and my mama will do anything to protect us. He loves me to death, and I love him as well. He always puts family first and makes sure we're okay before himself. Thank you for being my black oak.
Kendall Silva, an ode to my mom. I will never forget my second birthday, the hard work you put into it, and the marvelous time that I had. Every day after school, you want to know how my day was. You ask with a smile on your face. You listen to any nonsense that I say. You help with my homework to the best of your ability. You helped me make my first friends. You are the one who helped me solve all my problems. You listen to all my stupid drama. You help me with new transitions. You are my black rose.
By Evan, an ode to my father. My father, you love me unconditionally. My father, you don't care who knows. My father, even if you leave, you'll still care for me. My father, even if you and Mama are apart, we're still together. My father, sometimes it may be embarrassing, but I don't care. I still love you. Thank you for being my black oak.
My name is Helen Jackson. This is an ode to my father. Even though you work a lot, I'm so grateful you can still spend time with me. Even when you're stressed, you still keep your sense of humor. You will help me through hard times, and you lend a helping hand when things are hard. You are an entrepreneur being your own boss. You make me feel like I can do anything. You always push me in the right direction. Thank you for being my black oak.
My name is Alice. This is an ode to Barack Obama. You are the 44th president of the U.S., in my opinion, one of the best. With every word that you write, you always seem very bright. You take care of everywhere in the U.S. while always being one of the best. You care about most of the people in the U.S. because you are and always will be one of the best. Thank you for being my black oak.
My name is Skylar. This is a O for Caleb. You take care of me. You make me breakfast. You give the best hugs. You always share your TV. Thank you for being my black oak.
My name is Jason Regil, and this is an ode to my mom. I love my mom. My mom checks up on me every day to make sure that I am okay. My mom does everything she can for me. My mom may not have a lot of money, but she still gives me anything, God, that I want. She provides for me, and I am so grateful for her. And I thank my mom a lot for everything that she does. Thank you for being my black rose.
My name is Gabrielle Eldridge, and this is an ode to my mother, Chanel Eldridge. Here we go! My mom is a queen from the north to the west. I know she is the best. She braids my hair with love and care. She is the queen everywhere. My mom is good at cooking. Thank you for being my black rose. Dedicated to Chanel Eldridge.
My name is Nathaniel, and this is an ode to my stepmother. Thank you, Mother, for every day. Help me with transportation and give me food to eat. You make sure I'm ready to go to school before you think about yourself. You make sure I'm fed and I'm well clothed, and I love you. Thank you for being my black rose.
Hi, my name is Jade Thaddeson, and this is an ode to Olivia. My cousin is sweet, yet she is kind. She plays games with me, but it is only sometimes. I don't see her often, but that is okay. I know she remembers me, but even if she doesn't, I remember her. I can remind her who I am. As long as we remember each other, we will be friends forever. Olivia, thank you for being my black rose.
My name is Benjamin Cameron Davis. This is an ode dedicated to Ryan. You celebrate for me. You like to jump and play like me. You help me with my homework. You taught me how to cross my eyes. Thank you for being my black oak.
Hi, my name is Aiden, and this is an ode to my rose family. Tears will invade our brown skin as they continue to hurt us, as if we have no place in this world, no emotion, like we can't feel. They kept us shackled in our own skin, as if to make us feel like it's a curse, as if they could bring us down. Like the sun, we rose and didn't let anything stop us. We kept growing, like a rose blooming in the ashes. As the rest of the world crumbles, that rose stands, unharmed, growing strong, growing unstoppable. Thank you to my black roses.
My name is Charles Mulder, and my ode is to Caleb. He may be stubborn at some times, but his joy brings me to reach for the sky. He may play games that I dislike, but he always plays the games that I do like. He and I can be playful most times, but that doesn't stop us from being serious sometimes. Our favorite game needs a lot of brain power, but it's funny he forgets my favorite flower. Thank you for being my black oak.
My name is Jordan Hughes, and this ode is to my best friend Ashley. I love how your dark, shiny skin glows in the sun as we start our friendship arc. As we play at the park, your laughs tickle me. Last, I love how you cheer me up with your funny faces. Thank you for being my black rose.
My name is Zulu Green, and this is an ode to Michael Charles. He wanted to work at an NBA shoe store. He is on his way, but on his way we congratulate him. He right now is working good at a Foot Locker shoe store, and soon he will reach his dream. We love you, Mike. Thank you for being a black oak.
My name is Ashley Matthews, and this is my ode to Jordan Hughes. As you walk down the hall, I see your humorous smile. It is contagious by the mile. As you laugh uncontrollably, as you joke back and forth, as you chase one another, just promise me this, always smile.
An ode to my mom by Emery Jameson. Thank you for caring for me when I was down. Thank you for bringing me into this world and giving me life and a name. Thank you for helping me when it is needed. Thank you for being my shield. Thanks for giving me a place to rest my head. Thank you for being my travel companion. Thank you for being my black rose.
My name is Haley Baeza. This is all to my friend London B. My friend could have been friends with anyone else. My friend chose me. She listened anytime I talk, anytime we'd go on walks, she'd be right there next to me. She's the best friend anyone could want. She's like a box full of laughs and memories. My friend is a spark in the dark when she walks in. She's a thoughtful person who helps. Thank you for being my black rose.
My name is Anthony Pinson, and this is an ode to my mom and my grandma. I have a lot to thank my mom for, making sure I'm okay, dealing with my shenanigans, and she even makes sure I get my homework done. My mom is the reason I'm here, and although my mom is very important, so is my grandma. She's like the owner of the family. Her cooking is amazing. I come to her for life advice. She also has a lot of stories to tell because she's been here a long time. My mom and my grandma are both very important to me. Thank you both for being my black roses.
I am Savannah Reed, and this is an ode for my grandfather. You've been driving down life's highway far longer than me. Riding in many cars, you've driven me down the same highway, dreaming about how things used to be, showing me all the places, giving me things to put into my trunk, pointing out everything as we drive. Sing along to a song that you say they played just for you and me. Let's ride like this forever. Thank you for being my black oak.
My name is Jaden, and this is an ode dedicated to my mom. I love the way you are always by my side. I love the way you never fail me. I love the way you try to make me the best I can be. I love the way you care about me. I love the way you pay for me to play sports. I love how supportive you are. I love you, Mom. Thanks for being my black rose.
My name's Sarah Watson, and my ode is to Grandma. Because you always taught me to speak up and tell the truth and find the quality in things. And you buy me healthy food, and you tell me about your patch, which I think is so cool. So that's why I love you so much and how you did all that. Thank you for being my black rose.
Holt's Claw, ode to Crystal. I'm happy you see me as family. I love how you equally love your daughter and me. Out of the people who I love equally as my mom, you're my favorite of them all. I love your bright clothes and the way your attitude lights up the room. If someone asks what I like about Jude, one of my answers would be you. I love your smile, I love your attitude too. I love everything about you. Thank you for being my black rose.